o nanonood ngayon. Thank you so much for being here today, this evening, this morning, or this afternoon. I truly appreciate your time. Before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you are working so hard, but somehow you are still stuck in the same place? Yung parang ginagawa mo naman ang lahat ng best mo, you wake up early, you work hard, you take care of your family, but deep inside, yes, deep inside, you feel like something needs to change. If that sounds like you are not alone. Type yes in the comments if you have ever felt that way. Because tonight, we are going to talk about something very powerful. Our topic today is share one habit you are removing to grow. Yes, not adding, removing. Because sometimes the reason we cannot grow, it is not because we lack opportunities. Sometimes it's because we are holding on to habits that are quietly holding us back. And today, this evening, I will share one habit that I am personally removing in my life so that inspire you too. Let me share as my name is Mary Chris. I am originally from the Philippines but now living here in New Mexico, USA. I work as a fourth grade teacher, and just like many of you, I am also a mom and a wife. And for so many years, my life was simple: work, pay bills, repeat. And I realized something. My salary was enough for bills, but not enough for the dreams that I had for my family. Maybe some of you can relate to that. Type relate if you know that feeling. You want to travel with your family. You want time with your kids, more time with your kids. You want financial freedom. But sometimes the system we are in keeps us stuck. That is one of the reasons why I started looking for something else. Something flexible, something portable, something that I can build for myself. And that is when I discovered the digital business. But today, I want to talk about something deeper because success is not just about opportunities. Success is about habits. Let me ask you another question. What if the reason we are not growing is not because we need more knowledge? What if the reason is because we need to remove something first? Think about that. Sometimes growth is subtraction before addition. We remove something first so we can make space for something better. So tonight, I will share with you the habit that I am removing in order to grow. And that habit is this. The habit that I am removing is overthinking. Yes, overthinking. Maybe some of you are smiling right now because you know exactly what I mean. Type me if you are also an overthinker. For many years, I had this habit. Before I make a decision, I think. Then I think again. Then I analyze. Then I doubt. Then I question myself. And before I know it, I already lost the opportunity. Does that sound familiar? Sometimes we delay our own progress because we are overthinking everything. So let me give you a simple example. When I first saw this digital business opportunity online, I was curious. But do you know what my mind immediately started doing? Questions. Is this legit? Can I do this? What if I fail? What will people say? What if I lose money? And the more I thought about it, the more fear appeared. And this is something very important. Overthinking feeds fear, but action feeds confidence. So there is a quote I love. You don't gain confidence by thinking about doing things. You gain confidence by doing things. And that was a big lesson for me because if I kept overthinking, I would still be stuck in the same place. Sometimes growth requires courage. Sometimes growth requires stepping outside your comfort zone, even if you are not 100% ready. So let me ask you another question. How many opportunities have we missed because we waited too long? How many dreams were delayed because we were too afraid to try? How many times did we say maybe next year, maybe later, maybe when everything is perfect? But here is the truth: perfect timing rarely comes. Growth happens when we decide. So that is why one habit that I am removing, which is overthinking. Instead, I am choosing action. Small action, daily action, consistent action, because small actions compound over time. Let me connect this now to business and growth. Here is the business tip I want to share with you tonight. Removing blockers frees energy for growth. Let me repeat that. Removing blockers frees energy for growth. Think about this. When we hold on to habits like overthinking, procrastination, fear of judgment, self doubt, wow, these habits consume our energy, our mental energy, our emotional energy, our focus. And when all our energy is going to these blockers, we have very little energy left to grow. But when we start removing these blockers, suddenly something amazing happens. We gain clarity, we gain focus, we gain momentum. So, for example, when I stop overthinking every single step in my digital business, yeah, I had more time to actually do the work. I started learning, I started connecting with people, I started showing up, and slowly I started growing. Not because I became perfect, but because I removed the blocker. Let me tell you something important. Growth is not about doing everything perfectly. Growth is about showing up consistently, even when you are still learning, even when you still have doubts, even when you are scared. You know what I realized? Fear never completely disappears, but courage grows when we take action. Every step you take builds confidence. Every small win builds belief. And before you know it, you are no longer the same person you were before. That is why habits are powerful. Our habits shape our future. If we keep the same habits, we will keep the same results. But if we change our habits, we can change our life. Let me ask you another reflection question. What habit is currently slowing down your growth? Is it procrastination? Is it self doubt? Is it fear of failure? Is it fear of what other people might say? Think about that because awareness is the first step to change. Let me share something very personal. When I started this journey, I was not confident. I was not tech savvy. I was not an expert. But I have something stronger. I had a reason. My family, my children, my dream to give them more. That is my why. And when your why is strong enough, you will find the courage to change. So today, I'm still growing, I'm still learning, I'm still improving. But one thing I know is this: every habit we remove creates space for growth. Every blocker we eliminate creates room for new opportunities. So here is my challenge for you today. Take a moment and think, what is one habit you need to remove to grow? Not 10, just one. One habit. Yes, one habit. Because sometimes one change can create powerful ripple effect in your life. Maybe today is the day you decide to stop overthinking. Maybe today is the day you stop waiting for perfect timing. Maybe today is the day you stop doubting yourself. And maybe today is the day you start believing that something better is possible. Before we end, I want to hear from you. Engagement is very important because we grow together. So here is my question for you. What is one habit you drop or are planning to drop so you can grow? Type it in the comments and comment one habit you dropped. Maybe it is fear, maybe it is procrastination, maybe it is negative thinking, maybe it is overthinking like me. Maybe, what? Yeah, just share it in the comments because your answer might inspire someone else today. And if today's message resonated with you, if you are someone who feels stuck in your current situation, if you are someone who is looking for another option, another path maybe, another possibility, then feel free to connect with me. Send me a message. I would love to share what I discovered that started changing my mindset and my direction. No pressure, just a conversation. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Always remember, growth begins the moment we decide to change. And sometimes step to growth is simply letting go of the habits that are holding us back. So take care, everyone. And I look forward to reading your comments later and tomorrow. And comment one habit you dropped. That is just my short FB Live tonight. See you again tomorrow, guys, in my next FB Live. Bye.